Hello everyone, thank you for coming in this presentation. Before I start the presentation, I will introduce myself. My name is Edriantono. I'm from Kadua Management of Leader University, and my NPN is 21201030 and 55. The material, what am I work is three types of the customer in this work and how to make the people buy your product right now. Before I started, I tell you the reason why I brought these materials. I brought these materials because I think these materials is useful for me in my business, and I think this is useful too on your business. So let's start it. First, three types of the customer. There's 3 points of this material. First, price-oriented customer, value-oriented customer, and the product-oriented customer. Let me explain. First, the price-oriented customer. What is the price-oriented customer? It's a customer who buy the product because the product is cheap. He doesn't care about how the product is, but if the product is cheapest on of the cheapest, they will buy the product. So let me show you the example. You see the difference of the A and B product, right? If you're the type of the first customer, the price oriented product, you'll choose the A product because you see the cheapest of the product is the A product. Basically, that's how the price oriented customer works. And number two is value oriented customer. Value oriented customer is the customer who see the value of the product. They see the bonus or the another value if they buy the product. Let me show you the example. Did you see the difference of the A and B product? If you're the value oriented customer, what product do you choose? Exactly, a product, right? Because the value oriented customer is they think before they buy. If the they think before they buy. Number three is product oriented customer. The principle of this customer is whatever the product is, but if the product is the best of the best, they will buy it. Let me show you the example of this customer. Did you see the difference of the product? What do you choose? Exactly, a product, because the A product is the real product of the brand, not the imitate of the product. They, if you're the first type of the customer, price oriented customer, you will buy the B product because it's the cheapest of the product. Now, I want to tell you something about tips. Now, I want to tell you something about how to get the thirds of the type of the customer will buy our product. What's the meaning of the chart is um, we give them a free for our product, and then we give them our selling the chips of our product, and the third is we give them a medium price, and then we selling the expensive product for them because we want to reach a price oriented customer on the free our product and the cheap our product, and how to get the value oriented customer is on menu price. How to get the value of how to get the value oriented customer is on the medium price product, and how to get the product oriented customer is on expensive of our product, is on expensive product of ours. And now I would like to share how to make a people buy your product right now. First, price anchor. Let me show you an example. Yeah, as you can see, the price is look more cheap, but actually it is expensive. But you across the and number two is scarcity of time. Uh, Let me show you an example. As you can see, scarcity of time is make the people want to buy because the time is limited. And number three is scarcity of product. Let me show you an example. As you can see, the advertise is make a people buy your product right now because the product is limited. And number four is FOMO. FOMO is fear of missing out. FOMO is a feeling of anxiety or insecurity over the possibility of missing out on something. The example is price anchor, scarcity of time, and scarcity of product, like before. Let me show you an example of FOMO. Yeah, I think that's all for me. From yeah, I think that's all for me. And any question? I don't think any question. So thank you for listening my presentation, and thank you very much. Goodbye. Yes,
say